Welcome to the Banker Lamp. Please enjoy the video.
You begin by getting essentials ready, your Wi-Fi name and password, and a Samsung account signed into the Smart Hub. Once done, power the TV and press home, go to Settings and choose Network to start the connection wizard. Make sure to select Wireless and pick your SSID, then enter the password carefully. If your router uses 5 GHz, choose that for faster streaming, otherwise 4 GHz reaches farther. This starts the live network link on the TV. Once connected, you move to Apps. Open Samsung Apps to install or update Netflix, YouTube, or other streaming services. You can also open the built-in web browser to navigate websites, use the remote's pointer or a paired keyboard for faster typing. Make sure Smart Hub permissions allow app data and network access, and sign into each service so stored credentials save time. If a site needs Flash or special content, prefer app versions. To finish, test the connection by streaming a 720p or 1080p video. Watch for buffering or drops. If playback stutters, make sure other devices aren't saturating the band and move the router closer if possible. Once done, enable automatic updates so apps and firmware stay current. If problems persist, power cycle the TV and router, and then reset the Smart Hub as a last resort. This clears app data, but often solves stubborn network or account sync issues.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.